Welcome to Mr. Woods' Wonderful World of Art. I'm Mr. Woods, and this is episode number 2 of a 7-show series dealing with the elements of design. Today we're going to be discussing shape. Materials, you'll need some type of paper that you can glue all your shapes to, a bunch of colored construction paper, your favorite pair of scissors, and some glue. Also, you're going to need random objects that you can outline because we're going to use those silhouettes. So now, let's begin.
A silhouette? A silhouette is another name for an outline. An outline is a line that goes around a shape or an object. Sometimes the outline produces recognizable silhouettes, such as this rooster that you see on the side of the chicken shack.
Now for your mission. If you choose to accept it, you must go through your house and find a random object for each sheet of construction paper. Now we're looking for objects that are going to create recognizable silhouettes. So if I took this roll of tape, this DVD, and this coaster, all I'm going to get is a circle for a silhouette, and I won't be able to recognize what is what. So remember, interesting, unique objects. So let's go. Mission accomplished.
Now it's time to trace the objects. Each object is going to be placed upon one sheet of colored construction paper. I chose to cut each one in half so I'm saving paper. I'm using a number 2 pencil, and the technique is to keep the pencil straight up and down as I trace around each object. So when I go around the handle of the spoon, I continue to keep the pencil straight up and down. Now, without moving the spoon, I continue to draw around the rest of the spoon. And now I'm done. Now it's time to glue the silhouettes onto the paper. I like to use a white liquid glue, but a glue stick would work. First, we need to put our large objects on and then build up, layer, or overlap our smaller objects. And what we want to do is build an interesting composition. We don't want any of the pieces to go off the edge of the paper. And after you kind of assemble it, this collage, in a way that's going to be interesting to you, then flip the pieces over so you're hiding your pencil marks. So the pencil marks will go down. And just double check everything. And that kind of changes it a little bit. You can have pieces that go through another piece, such as that, to make it more interesting. I kind of like what I have here, so I'm just going to slide it off. Start with my first piece, which was my large purple comb. Double check and make sure I'm going to be gluing on the side that has the pencil line. Once you're finished, let your collage dry, and you've created a collage using objects from around the house, and the silhouette of each object should be recognizable, so you can tell that's a screwdriver. You can also tell the purple one is a comb. So remember, find objects that are unique, interesting, and they create recognizable silhouettes.
Remember, shape is an element of design that's two-dimensional, and it encloses an area. So when you go around the outer edge of an object, you've created an outline or a silhouette. So thank you for joining me. Please like and subscribe. And remember, if anyone can do it, it's you.